True Manufacturing, a company so synonymous with quality that their name means honesty. In today's video, we got a couple of prep tables here, a 27-inch and a 48-inch. We'll be discussing some features of them, the differences between standard and megatops, and why we highly recommend True Refrigeration for your business and your customers. The hoods and lids are insulated to keep the food pans cold, and the high-density cutting board is an excellent worktop surface. Doors feature a stainless steel exterior, a recessed handle, and a self-closing design with convenient 90-degree stay-open feature. The magnetic door gasket is user replaceable without tools. For tips on changing the gasket, please see our video linked in the description. And now the shutting feature. All True units will come with a complete bag of shelf clips. There are also 2 heavy-coated shelves included with each door. If you have a single door, there are 2 shelves. A 2-door will have 4 shelves. A 3-door will have 6 shelves. Shelves are easily adjustable, allowing you to set your heights according to your needs. The interior features aluminum walls with a stainless steel floor. The corners have a cove design without the gaps that might trap food, making them easier to clean. The entire cabinet, including the door, features high-density insulation with 0 ozone depletion potential and 0 global warming potential. Finally, each prep table includes casters, allowing you to easily move the table as needed. So what makes a Megatop prep table different from a standard prep table? There are 2 differences between them: pan capacity and cutting board depth. Megatop prep tables feature an extra row of pans. As an example, this 48-inch table has 3 rows of pans, 6 pans per row, while the standard version of this table would have 2 rows, 6 pans per row. To create space for the extra row of pans, the cutting board on the Megatop tables isn't as deep. The cutting board on these tables is 8 7/8 inches deep, while the cutting board on the standard version of these prep tables is 11 3/4 inches deep. True is American made since 1945. And if you're needing common parts like shelves and gaskets, True has excellent parts assistance, even making part number searches accessible through their website. Simply put in your model serial number located on the easily accessible ID plate, and bam, part numbers at your fingertips. And for more complicated parts, Dine Company and True's close relationship means that we can easily source parts at competitive prices. Standard on all True models with the hydrocarbon refrigerant is the reverse condensing unit. This feature essentially allows True's condensing units to self-clean, keeping refrigeration running at peak performance even longer. Most companies utilize a 5-year warranty for their refrigeration units. Not bad, but not true. True offers the 777 warranty. That is 7 years on parts, 7 years on labor, and 7 years on the compressor. It is the standard bearer for customer support. It is the strongest warranty that's on the market. They are that confident about their quality. In conclusion, True has you covered in both quality and long-standing support. To shop prep tables, please click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching today's video, and remember, at Dine Company, we make food service easier.